Good morning everyone. In this video today we will get to know about subject and predicate. In English grammar, without subject and predicate, a sentence is incomplete. So, for a complete sentence, it is must for us that we have to need a subject and predicate. So, for that, first of all, we will get to know about what is subject and what is predicate. So, let's get started. Here, subject, who or what the sentence is about, means a subject is a part of sentence that contains the person or thing performing the action in a sentence. In other words, you can say who performs the action in a sentence, that will be subject. And predicate, the action in the sentence, means predicate is also a part of sentence that includes the verb and verb phrase. Or you can say rest of the sentence will be predicate. So, a complete sentence has a subject and predicate. So, what will subject predicate? Here, Amy held a pencil. So, in this sentence, here Amy is a subject and held a pencil will be here predicate. Johnny wore a hat. So, here the Johnny word will be here subject. He is performing an action. Which action? Wore a hat. Next, he looked happy. So, he will be here subject and the rest of the sentence looked happy. In this sentence here we have an action also. So, it will be predicate. The star is a subject and is blue will be predicate. Next, he is holding a star. So, here he will be subject who is performing the action. So, this part of the sentence will be predicate. So, subject and predicate always make a sentence complete. Here you can see the horse ran in the field. Horse is performing an action and here we have a verb here. So, it will be predicate. Always remember a subject who or what the sentence is about and a predicate what the subject does or is, and doer of the action. Subject is the doer of action and predicate the action itself. Means in predicate, in the part of the sentence you will find the action, and in subject there has a noun and pronoun, and in the predicate part you will find a verb. Now let's have some examples. Samantha eats ice cream for dessert. So here who is performing the action? It's Samantha. So it will be subject and we have verb eats. So the rest of the sentence will be predicate. Next, Mike and George played in the mud. So here who is performing the action? Who played? Yes, Mike and George are subject here and the rest of the sentence will be predicate. I built a sand castle at the beach. So here built is verb and who is performing the action? I. So I will be subject and the rest of the sentence will be predicate. Students, always remember subject changes place when we make a question. Like here you can see, she is Emily's friend. Okay, so here we have she is a subject and here it's a predicate. But for questioning, here is she Emily's friend. So here this she, the subject, has changed its place. Okay, and one more thing, subject can come after the predicate. Like here, orange is my favorite color. Here we have orange is a subject, but we can write my favorite color is orange. So I wrote here orange in the last. So orange will be here subject. Here the children are doing activities. So here who is performing the action? The children are performing the action. So the children will be here subject, are doing will be here predicate. We learn English every day. So here who is performing the action? We. And what is the verb? Learning. So we will be here subject, learn English every day will be predicate. And I like to read stories book. So here who is liking? I will be here subject and the rest of the sentence will be predicate. Like to read stories books. Next, they are going to school. So here what is a verb? Going. And who is performing the action? They. So they will be here subject and the rest of the sentence will be predicate. Here you have to find out the subject and predicate. First one we have the sun was shining brightly. So what is the subject here? Yes, the sun. Sun is performing the action shining. So the sun will be here subject and was shining brightly will be predicate. The dogs were barking loudly. Dogs will be subject, were barking loudly will be predicate. The pretty girl was wearing a blue frock. So pretty girl will be here subject, was wearing a blue frock will be predicate. My younger brother serves in the army. So my younger brother will be here subject, serves in the army will be predicate. Got it, students? So it's enough for today. Keep practicing.